Converting an HTML document to PDF format is an important task, especially if you want to view your HTML documents offline. There are several applications that allow to convert HTML documents to PDF format. One such application is PDF.co. In this video, you will see how to convert HTML documents to PDF format whenever you create a new Zap using Zapier Chrome extension. So you will see how to do that. Let's start. First, you have to click this Create Zap button. And then since we are creating a custom Zap, you have to click Open Editor. From the list of applications, select Zapier Chrome extension. You have to have this extension installed before you actually perform the steps in this video. So click Continue, but before that you have to select a trigger event. So we will select New Push. So whenever a new push is created in Zapier Chrome extension, this Zap will trigger. Click Continue. So here, as you can see, you have to first install the extension before you can perform these steps. To install the extensions, you can simply go to this click. And here you can see how to install this extension and how to create a new push. So I have already installed the extension, so I do not need to perform these steps. I'll go back, click Continue. Next, I have to test if Zapier can actually access this Chrome extension and the push that are created using this Chrome extension. So test trigger. So you can see the last push that was created by Zapier Chrome extension here. Click Continue. Next, since you want to convert your HTML document to PDF format using PDF.co, so you will search for the application PDF.co. The action event is anything to PDF converter. Since we want to convert HTML to PDF, click Continue. Here you have to choose your PDF.co account. I will choose my account. Click Continue. Here you have to specify the link to the HTML document that you want to convert into PDF format. So we will be simply converting this Wikipedia page on dogs to PDF format. So you can simply copy and paste this link. You want to give any name, you can type it here. I will leave this field as it is and click Continue. Finally, to test your Zap and see if your HTML document is actually converted into PDF format, you have to click Test and Review. So if your document is successfully converted to PDF, you will see this link. And if you go to this link, you will see the HTML page for dogs. The Wikipedia page will be converted to PDF format. So let's see. So you can see the page, the HTML page, the Wikipedia page for dogs, and it is converted to PDF format. You can simply right click and download it as PDF. Finally, you can turn on this Zap by clicking this button. Turn on this Zap, and that's it. Thank you for watching.